G'day, my name's Pete, and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. I've had this tree for a while, and I find it to be an ugly tree. I don't like it, but I'm forcing myself to do something with it because it's probably got potential in there. It's going to be a short video. I'm just going to clear off a lot of it, and yeah, just sort of let it start growing again with next to nothing left on it, because yeah, it needs it. This tree is about 9 years old, and yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off this whole branch on the bottom here. I think I'm going to cut this branch off here as well and keep this one as the top of the tree, the only bit. So I'm going to do my major cuts and get rid of them first. I don't know if I want to keep that there, this branch. I sort of like that one at the back, but because they're at the same level, I don't know if I should keep it, or that one. Just giving it a little thought. I think I might keep that. Get rid of that. I might get rid of that and keep that one and see what sort of grows on this side later. Just studying it, trying to decide. Alright. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of it. You might grow something back better. We'll see what grows with what's left on it there. And I really don't think I'm going to do a real lot more with it. We'll shorten this. Way too long. Bring them down. Okay, well, I think that's about all I'm going to cut. I don't know what's going to be the face of this tree yet. This tree is, it's going to be buried. There's going to be a lot more trunk on this, I believe. Mind you, I've got a lot of roots growing here around the top of the soil. But I believe, because I usually do, bury them quite deep. So I don't want to cut too much more. This branch might be fine, depending on how far down the trunk really goes. So I'll keep that. But anyway, I don't know which is going to be the face of the tree, front or back. So I don't want to go too wild on all these branches until I know. I will just trim off the tips, just to give it a thought about growing some more, doubling out instead of all straight up. And yeah, it's an ugly looking thing. It really is ugly at the moment, but I think it really has got a bit of potential in there. I love the fact that it's got a nice thick trunk, and we'll see how it looks after a while. Like I said, it was going to be a short, sharp, shiny little video. Okay, this tree is a 14-year-old tree. It's got a really nice cutout in it. I'm not going to do a lot with it. I just see some branches that are definitely worth getting rid of. So I'm going to get rid of them. And then that's going to be about all I'm going to do with this tree for today. But I've got this one branch that's crossing over. This is the branch here, and it's crossing over around to this front side. Well, this side of the tree. So I figure I'll get rid of that, because we're going to have a crossing over anyway. And it might help me see better of what I want to do with this tree, keeping and getting rid of. This could be a nice tippy top of the tree, possibly. Alright, and that's all I'm going to do. For the time being. Right, again, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.